Think your camera sees the world like you do? Not even close. Your eyes adjust, your camera only counts in stops. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography, one 60-second photo tip at a time. When you walk into a dark room, your eyes take a second, then they slowly adjust. But your camera, not so much. It doesn't adapt like you, it needs light, and it measures that light in something called stops. Put simply, a stop is a doubling or halving of the light. One stop more means twice as much light. One stop less means half the light. And here's the thing, every setting on your camera, ISO, shutter speed and aperture, they all control light in stops. You can imagine stops like clicks on a dial. They're not smooth adjustments, they're deliberate jumps in brightness or darkness. And if you get it wrong by a stop, you could blow out the sky or lose detail in your shadows. Understanding stops of light is the foundation of exposure. And if you want a more detailed look at stops to finally feel in control of exposure, you can watch my longer video here. I think you'll find it useful and it'll give you a deeper understanding. That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you soon.